What is up, guys? If you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep yourself posted. If you do it in the next 10 seconds, we will have 24 hours of amazing luck. So let's begin.
This is what happens when you buy a new vacuum cleaner.
Clean the sofa. Clean the table. Clean the glasses. Not with that idiot.
Oh no, I need to go to the washroom. We are out of tissue papers. Mom, please can you pass me the tissue paper?
No. Take this.
Thank you for watching. You are the best.